Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, back up your iPhone XS to iCloud or to a Mac via Finder so you can recover if something goes wrong. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or keep the phone plugged in, and join a stable Wi-Fi network because updates can be large. Once connected, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update to see if an update is available. This step both checks compatibility and shows the download size so you can decide how to proceed. Once the update is listed, tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when asked. That confirms you and unlocks installation permissions. The download may take minutes to an hour depending on size and network. Use Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges and interruptions. If your storage is low, free space by deleting large apps or photos, or use Offload app. Software Update will show required space and may restart the download after you free room. While it downloads, avoid heavy network use to speed the process. When the download finishes, choose Install Now or Install Tonight. The phone will reboot and install the update. Let it complete without interrupting power. Afterward, check Settings General About to confirm the new iOS version and open a few apps to ensure they behave correctly. Re-enable any settings you disabled earlier. If the update fails, try a force restart and free more storage. If that still fails, connect the iPhone XS to a Mac and update via Finder or iTunes on older Mac.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.